Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Coach Gary from Fun and Round. So I'm here to bring you a heavy bag workout. We have 3 circuits that we're gonna do today. Each one of them is 3 minutes, just like a regular boxing round. We're gonna do 30-second intervals, and we're gonna have combinations that progress as we go for each circuit that we do. So if you wanna work the heavy bag at home and you don't know what to do, get the gloves ready, and let's follow along. Okay, so we're gonna get right into the first circuit. So now the first one that we're gonna do, we're gonna start with just one jab. So we're gonna move around the bag. We like to make sure that our members are always moving. Boxing, when you're fighting, you're always moving. There's always some kind of footwork. My head's moving. I always need to maintain my rhythm, right? You never wanna just stand still. So we're gonna move around the bag and just throw one jab. This is gonna be your first 30 seconds. Just one jab at a time, making sure you're moving around the bag. When the bell rings on the 30-second bell, the second 30 seconds, we're gonna just add another jab. So jab, jab. Now we have a double jab. So here, moving around, double jab. When the last 30-second bell rings, we're gonna add our cross to the end of that combination. So we now have double jab, cross. Making sure that I'm stepping with both of my jabs, and then right from this position, as soon as this hand comes back, boom, I'm throwing my other punch. You know, we're moving around. Now, the purpose of this is that you're always supposed to be moving. I start with just one jab, moving around. You've seen a lot of fights. If you've seen some boxing fights on TV, you see that the fighters are moving around, feeling each other out. I want to see what kind of reactions the other guy is doing. Can he handle my speed or not, right? So the jab is very important. We're moving around just one at a time for 30 seconds. On the bell, we add our second, and on the last bell, we add our cross. Double jab, cross. So we're building up the combinations, making sure that each punch is effective before you throw the whole combo. We're gonna do 30 seconds of each, then repeat it 2 times through for a total of 3 minutes. All right, now we're moving on to circuit number 2, your next 3-minute interval. So we're going to start with the double jab this time. We're still doing our movement. That doesn't change this whole workout. So I'm moving around. I'm starting my first 30 seconds with a double, making sure my hands are staying up, and I'm stepping with both jabs, keeping my distance. On the bell, we're gonna add our cross. We've seen that combo before, right? So jab, jab, cross. Moving around. The last 30-second bell, we're gonna add one more cross. So now, we started with a double jab, we threw a cross, and we're finishing with a double. So it's a double jab, double cross combination to finish. You're here, jab, jab, cross, cross. And notice that there's like a pattern to it. It's punch, back, punch, punch, back, punch. So it should always kind of sound the same too. So first 30 seconds, you're starting with just your double jab, moving around, making sure it's nice and consistent. Then we add our double jab, cross on the second bell. And then we finish with double jab, double cross. So 30 seconds of each, repeat that 2 times through for a total of 3 minutes. All right, now we're on to our third and final circuit. So we're going to start with a jab cross. Now we're moving around. I don't want to double up on the side to start. I just want to throw my jab cross combo. So I'm moving, jab cross. Trying to maintain good control of my heavy bag. On the bell, we're gonna add that second cross, which we just worked on. Jab, cross, cross. Move. On the last bell, we're gonna finish with a big hook. It's the first hook we're throwing of the day, but we've worked up and built up our combinations. If I'm fighting somebody, I wanna learn to make all these setups and then finish with a punch they haven't seen yet. So we're here. Oop. So the first 30 seconds, we're gonna start with just the jab cross, moving around your heavy bag. On the bell, we add the second cross, jab, cross, cross. And on the last bell, we add the big hook, jab, cross, cross, hook. Repeat that 30 seconds each, 2 times through for a total of 3 minutes. All All right, guys, there you have it. That is your heavy bag workout. This is very similar to what we do here at the gym. I want to build and progress upon the combinations by adding in ones you've just done, right? We started with one combo. In the next station, we threw a piece of that combo in there. Third station, we threw another piece of that combo in there. And that's how you're gonna start building your combo library. So hit us up if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.